Music serves learning. Music serves knowledge. Music serves education. Grapie Academy.
Hi, it's Grapie, leader grapevine. Tell truth, why? Let me shine. Honesty's the best policy. Truth, always free. Lies tangle and grow big. Truth, no gig. When you tell truth, always. Honesty, no haze. People trust honest folks. Truth, no jokes. Even when truth is hard. Honest, on guard.
Truth tell, always honest.
Honesty, promise. No tangled web of lies.
Truth never denies.
Honesty builds trust strong. Truth all along. Admitting mistake is tough. Honesty enough, but honest now is best. Truth, no more stress. If broke something, say so. Truth, let it flow. Parents forgive when honest. Truth, no dramatist. You can be honest each day. Truth, the way.
Truth tell, always honest.
Honesty, promise. No tangled web of lies.
Truth never denies.
Honesty builds trust strong. Truth all along. Now you know honesty key. Truth for you and me. Tell truth always. That's the way. Honesty every day. Grapie out. Hi, it's Grapie, leader grapevine. Small lies hurt. Why? Let me shine. Little lies grow big. Honesty, good gig. Tell small lie, hide something. Soon more lies come tumbling. 1 becomes 10, then 20. Lies multiply, plenty. Trust is broken when found. Lies make bad sound. Hurts feelings when discovered. Lies, no leveled.
Lies small, hurts big. Honesty's gig.
1 lie leads to more. Lies close every door. Trust broken, hard to mend. Lies never friend. Little white lies too. Hurt feelings true. Even just kidding can hurt. Bad plan. Truth is almost always better. Lies make sad setter. Think before lying again. Honesty win. You can choose honesty strong. Lies never belong.
Lies small, hurts big. Honesty's gig.
1 lie leads to more. Lies close every door. Trust broken, hard to mend. Lies never friend. Now you know lies hurt. Honesty never blur. Small lies grow big and bind. Honesty, one kind. Grapie out. Hi, it's Grapie, leader grapevine. Honesty matters.
Why? Let me shine.
Big value for good life. Honesty, no strife. Honest people trusted more. Honesty opens every door. Build strong friendships lasting.
Honesty,
Never fasting. In work, honest people succeed.
honesty,
So see, society needs honesty.
honesty.
The key.
Honesty matters in life. Cuts through strife.
Trust, friendship, success, peace.
Honesty never cease.
Value Without honesty, chaos grows.
Lies,
Like falling snows, can't trust anyone around.
honesty,
The sound. With honesty, order stays.
honest,
The ways, family, schools, workplaces,
honesty,
all faces. You value honesty daily, living life gaily.
honesty matters in life, cuts through strife,
Trust, friendship, success, peace.
honesty never cease.
Value of honesty high. Honesty, touch sky. Now, you know,
Honesty rules,
not for fools. Value in life, great. Honesty, first rate. Grapie out. Hi, it's Grapie, leader grapevine. Honest mistakes, why let me shine? Everyone makes them true. Mistakes okay for you. Break a vase by accident. Honest mistake, don't faint. Admit it right away. Honest mistake, okay. Failed a test, tried hard.
honest mistake,
No guard. Knocked over, drink at lunch.
honest mistake,
Pack a punch.
honest mistakes, they're okay.
Everyone has their say. Admit and try to fix
Honest mistakes,
the mix. Nobody is
perfect here.
honest mistakes, no fear. Hide mistakes, they grow bad. Honest, don't be sad. Admit and learn from each.
Honest mistakes,
To teach. Don't blame others when you did. Honest, no hid. Take responsibility, then
honest mistakes,
amen. You will make mistakes daily. Honest, grow gaily.
honest mistakes, they're okay.
Everyone has their say. Admit and try to fix
Honest mistakes,
the mix. Nobody is
perfect here.
honest mistakes, no fear. Now you know mistakes okay.
Honest,
The way, admit, learn, move on bright. Honest mistakes, alright. Grapie out. Hi, it's Grapie, leader grapevine. Trust grows, how? Let me shine. Takes time to build trust strong. Trust building all along. Trust built over many acts. Honesty, the facts. Keeping promises made. Trust, not trade. Show up when you say. Trust building the way. Honest even if hard. Trust on guard.
trust, time, grow strong. Trust, all along.
Many honest acts build trust, slowly build. Broken trust takes longer.
Trust,
Be stronger. Once broken, hard to fix. Trust
no tricks.
takes time to rebuild broken trust. Spoken, be reliable and honest. Trust,
No modest,
keep promises you make. Trust, take. You can build trust daily. Small honesty gaily.
trust, time, grow strong. Trust, all along.
Many honest acts build trust, slowly build. Broken trust takes longer.
Trust,
Be stronger, now you know. Trust, slow build.
small things will.
Honesty, one act at time. Trust, sublime. Grapie out. Hi, it's Grapie, leader grapevine. Lies okay, why? Let me shine. Sometimes a complex case. Ethical lying face. Surprise party, can't tell friend. Small lie to the end. Birthday gift, keep secret. Small lie, concrete. girl's dealings. Your painting looks nice, even if not white lie. Spot.
Lie, small ethical case. Small lies with grace.
Surprises, feeling safety.
Ethical lying daftly.
Still try to be honest. Small lies, modest. Hiding from robber, lie. Protect others, no reply. Context matters greatly. Ethical lying, sagely, but usually tell truth. Little lies, sometimes smooth. When in doubt, truth is best. Ethical lying test, you can discern the case. Ethical, appropriate space.
Lie, small ethical case. Small lies with grace.
Surprises, feeling safety.
Ethical lying deftly.
Still try to be honest. Small lies, modest. Now you know. Small lie question. Ethics, the suggestion. Sometimes okay, usually not. Honesty, the spot. Grapie out. It's grapie. Leader grapevine. Share feelings, why? Let me shine. Be honest with your heart. Emotional work of art. Yeah. Don't bottle up feelings inside. Share them, don't hide. Tell parents when feeling sad. Emotional, no mad. I'm sad because say true. Emotional honesty through. Friends can help if you share. Emotional, show you care.
Feelings share, be honest. Emotional promise.
Happy, sad, angry, real. Emotional honesty appeal. Bottled up makes worse. Emotional, no curse. Yeah, don't pretend you're fine. Emotional, not fine. Let people help you out. Emotional, no doubt. Talk to trusted adult. Emotional, great result. Sharing feelings heals. Emotional appeals. You can share emotional truth. Emotional grace for youth. Feelings share, be honest. Emotional promise. Happy, sad, angry, real. Emotional honesty appeal. Bottled up makes worse. Emotional, no curse. Now you know emotional truth. Share with youth. Don't hide feelings deep. Emotional, we keep. Grapie out. Hi, it's Grapie Leader Grapevine. Admit wrong, why? Let me shine. Take responsibility, true. Self-accountability for you. Made a mistake, own up. Accountability fills cup. Don't blame others falsely. Self-accountability healthily. I was wrong. Brave words, self-accountability birds. Apologize sincerely. Self-accountability clearly.
Admit wrong, own your acts. Accountability facts.
I'm sorry, I messed up.
Self-accountability fill cup.
Taking responsibility strong.
Self-accountability
All along. Don't make excuses up. Self-accountability fill cup. Just a mistake, better say. Self-accountability the way. Learn from your own errors. Self-accountability bearers. Try, do better next time. Self-accountability sublime. You can take responsibility. self-accountability, ability.
Admit wrong, own your acts. Accountability facts.
I'm sorry, I messed up.
Self-accountability, fill cup.
Taking responsibility strong.
Self-accountability,
All along. Now you know accountability. Admit wrong ability. Own your acts and grow. Self-accountability flow. Grapie out. Hi, it's Grapie, leader grapevine. Honest heroes, how? Let me shine. Truth tellers changed world. Moral leaders unfurled. Abraham Lincoln, honest Abe, moral leader, good to save. Never told a lie in law.
moral leader, flaw in law.
George Washington, truth cherry tree, honest. You and me, whistleblowers speak truth.
Moral leader,
Youth,
honest heroes change the world. Moral truth unfurled.
Lincoln, Washington, more.
Moral leadership, more.
Truth tellers,
Make change.
moral wide range. Scientists speak truth too. Moral leaders view. Journalists expose lies.
Moral leaders,
Wise, everyday moral leaders, standing up like feeders. Truth-telling costs sometimes.
moral leaders,
Rhymes, you can be moral leader. Truth-telling reader.
honest heroes change the world. Moral truth unfurled.
Lincoln, Washington, more.
Moral leadership, more.
Truth tellers,
Make change.
moral wide range. Now you know
Moral leaders,
truth, historic feeders. Honest heroes changed world.
moral leadership unfurled.
Grapie out. Hi, it's Grapie, leader grapevine. Honest yourself,
Why?
let me shine. Truth with you inside. Self-honesty, pride. Know yourself, the good and bad. Self-honesty,
Nomad,
admit your weakness is clear. Self-honesty,
no fear.
face your feelings true.
Self-honesty through.
Don't pretend to be what you're not. Be free.
Honest yourself, know the truth. Self-honesty of youth.
Weaknesses and strengths both.
Self-honesty, growth.
Self-reflection matters most. Self-honesty, the host. Journal feelings honest. Self-honesty modest. Ask self tough questions. Self-honesty suggestions. Grow from self-reflection. Self-honesty protection. Don't lie to yourself.
Honesty shelf.
You can be honest with you.
Self-honesty
True.
Honest yourself, know the truth. Self-honesty of youth.
Weaknesses and strengths both.
Self-honesty, growth.
Self-reflection matters most. Self-honesty, the host. Now you know self-honesty.